So maybe your chart is getting a little bit dirty like this here. It's easier to see on the back here, a little bit scratched and stuff. And that's what's going to happen when you hand them to clients, and I hope that you do, because these charts are meant to be explored and played with, right? So again, this is made printed on something called synapse paper, and you know, cool thing about it, it's really durable. You can roll it up like this, snaps right back into place, and they can be cleaned. So right now, what's going on in the world, you know, with viruses and things like that, the great thing about this is that it can be easily cleaned with soap and water, which seems to be the best defense against those viruses and things. So I'm going to show you how to wash this really quickly, okay? So all you need is soap and water. Get right in there. Get the chart wet everywhere. Or another way that you can do it is you can just directly apply some soap to it. So, grab your chart and scrub away. So I'm just using the soft side of this foam just to apply the soap on there right now. Because it flops around a little bit, I like to use this as a backdrop. Right. There you go. Dried it up all nice, and you can see nice and clean now. For this one, I would just use a little bit of soap and water. Okay. Once over here. But because these large ones aren't getting touched by too many people, it's not as frequent that you'll need to wash these charts, right? So these ones I just kind of clean up once in a while. I do have a bunch of kids that play with things, so it's good to just once in a while give a quick little clean. I'll do that. And you want to make sure that you dry it really well so that you don't see any streaks from the water. Same idea as if you're cleaning a window. There you go. All nice and clean. So that's how I would clean those charts.